Here's my 1965 C10, and I'm doing some rust repair on the floor. At the moment, here's the situation. That's rusted out. The cab bolts on this side are removed. The cab is sitting up so I can have clearance to get underneath these braces that are gone. I've got the one brace tacked in there just to fit this outer floor / inner rocker, and my question is this inner rocker got to line up with this weather stripping line on the door? Because as you can see, it doesn't on this side. I've also got this floor patch from LMC truck to replace, which meets with this, and same thing for the other side. Now I've kind of hacked this up to tack it in there, but that can all be fixed. I need to move this so I can get my hinges back on there, so I can get my door, make sure everything gets lined up. But at the moment, give me some pointers, what you see, maybe if you've done this before. I've got to remove and replace the support panels on the front and the rear. Let me take these panels out for you. All of this area from the inner fender to this brace was shot. Thanks for watching. Comments, questions, advice. Thank you.